Ricky.
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of fine ale and craft ales. This is of course where we brew, serve and review own brew ales in the form of own brew kits. And if you haven't known before, this is my world famous brother Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, Christmas.
As you can see, it's our Christmas special. I'm wearing a bloody Christmas hat and I'm actually roasting.
It is boiling here, bro. Should we throw him off?
Just, you can't do it. I can't do it.
God, it's mentally hot in here. Anyway, Merry Christmas, people.
Merry Christmas, people.
2 days away, isn't it?
Yes, it is, yeah. 2 days. And what better than to have a few reviews of Christmas beers?
Oh, yes. What you got on the board for me today, bro?
Well, today we're going back in time again. We're going to Bathams. Actually,
We've
I've
done
been
that
told
before.
by a subscriber out it's not Bathams.
Oh, is it not?
You've got to pronounce it Bathams.
Bathams. Ah, is he from Dudley? Right, yeah.
Apparently, the beer's from the Black Country, and you don't say Bathams, you say Bathams.
Right.
Bathams or something like that.
Got brother specs, forgot mine. There we go. Bit big these, but there we go. Tribute range in the style of Bathams Bitter Part Mash Kit, 40 pints. Boom. There you go.
Boom.
Yeah, well, there it is. It's one of these usual ones.
1.5%. We've done this again to see if it's going to be good enough to go on now. 12
This
beer
is,
kits of Partridge.
From those lovely guys at Dark Rock Brewing, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Lovely jubbly. Okie dokie.
It was a 10 out of 10 last time.
Was it a 10 out of 10 last time?
Yep.
Rightio. Oh, I really should go back through the video, shouldn't
Yeah. Somebody has to.
I? He's the brewer. Right, I can.
Okay.
So, cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh,
Just a nice malty nose to it. there,
quite a
isn't it?
very strong malty nose to that, isn't it? Oh, yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh,
Oh, that's good.
that is good.
That is good. That's a good classic English bitter.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh,
I can understand why we give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that's good.
Cracking beer.
Obviously, Bathams is in the heart of the Black Country somewhere,
Oh, yeah.
and the guys at Dark Rock Brewing, because I think they're up that way as well.
Well, yeah.
They've done a replica.
Yeah. Well, we can't test it against the original because we don't get it around here, do we?
Don't get ready.
Don't get it around here. But if it tastes like that, then it's a damn good beer.
Cracking point.
Yeah. 10 out of 10. But
Is it good enough to go on the list?
is it good enough to go on the list? Well, you're the brewmaster, mate. That's got to be your decision.
Well, the list last time, I was going to put Pink Grapefruit IPA on from Mangrove Jack, but I didn't because it got really hard to drink towards the end. And I didn't put the Cooper's Irish Stout on either because I do think my system enhances it.
Okay. It was a cracking pint, though.
It was cracking pint, so I haven't
Okay,
put
okay.
both of those on there.
So we've got 1, 2, 3 spots left. Is the Bathams good enough to go on there? If it is, it's got to be down at 7, I think.
Shall we test the rest of the beers today first before we make a wine?
Let's do that. Well, it's 10 out of 10 anyway. We do
It's
that
10 out of
anyway.
10 anyway.
It's cracking beer.
It's cracking beer. It's part mash kit.
Is it going to be on this? We'll see.
We'll see.
Later on.
Stay tuned.
Right. What's next, bro?
Well, next, another one we're going back to again, another 10 out of 10 out beer. And this one, again, is the... go on now.
This is the Festival World Beer Kit. It's a celebration of world beers. New Zealand Pilsner.
Show that to the camera.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Focus it down.
Here we go. Look, it's one of these kits. Sure you've seen these ones before. Yeah, lovely jubbly. So this is, I presume this is just a pure extract kit.
Pure malt extract kit. You get some dry hops to add. If you just turn on to the front there, it just does tell you what hops additions it's got at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
In it. I think is it
Bitter. Hop additions, Pacific Jade and Pacific Gem.
there you
So
go.
there you go. Taste, rock melon comes through on the palate with perfect bitterness.
Now, what's the rock melon?
I have no idea.
Me neither.
Aroma, masses of passion fruit, spicy lime and a hint of cut rock melon. I might be being slightly dim here. I have no idea what a rock melon is.
Me neither.
But there you go.
Me neither.
Okay.
If anybody knows what a rock melon is, drop me a line.
Is it a melon that really likes Metallica?
Could be.
Well, there you go.
Cut it in half and it sings Iron Maiden to you. Oh.
Well, so this is through the pump, isn't it?
This is through the corner cake. Now, talking about this system I've got, quite a lot of people have got corner cakes at home. Quite a lot of people in the brewing community. So you've already got the gas. All I'm using is a Shore Mix gas rather than just a plain CO2. So there's no difference there. The only thing I've bought extra is a Guinness tower. Now I've got this off eBay for what, 40 quid or so, something
Okay,
like
yeah.
that. So it's not really that expensive, not really that hard to set
No.
up. You just bring your line to it. Where
Cool.
you go.
Well, it looks exactly what it should do. Looks like a Pilsner. Nice and clear. Oh.
But it doesn't smell quite like a Pilsner, does it?
That smells more like a citrusy, punchy beer, doesn't it? Ooh, that's...
That smells more almost like
He connected the right beer.
Yeah, connected the right beer, made the right beer. It has got those oppositions in it as well, so you are
Lovely.
getting...
I'm getting involved with that. Oh, that is angels dancing on my tongue, that is.
Oh, it's better than any Pilsner I've ever had.
Oh, dear Lord. We've done this one before,
We've done this one before.
and it was 10 out of 10.
Oh, yeah.
It's a 10 out of 10 again. That's fantastic.
There is, I must admit, now it says it, I don't know if it's been implanted in my mind, but there is a slight taste of melon in the background on the dryness.
If you draw it over your palate, even more so, yeah.
And then the dryness of the hops come through and fringes it off. That's almost like a golden hoppy ale, but not too strong.
If I'm honest, probably the wrong time of beer for this type of beer for this time of year.
It is, yes.
Maybe. It's glorious, it's brilliant, but to me, that takes me straight to a summer's day.
And what could be better at Christmas? Straight to a summer's day.
Straight to a summer's day. That's glorious, bro. That's fantastic. It's 10 out of 10 again, obviously.
Obviously.
Is it good enough to be on the list?
And it might be good enough to be on the list. What might push it onto this is Mrs. P really likes that beer.
Mrs. P's always right. Let's put it like this. And you know what? I think I'm going to side with her as well because I think that's better in the bathams.
I think that's better than Bathams.
So if
And
it's between this and the bathams, I'm afraid this one's going
And
to
better than
win.
the pink grapefruit we had the other week.
Yes.
And better than the Cooper's Irish Stout.
Oh, now I did like the Cooper's Irish Stout. Totally different beers. So
Totally
that's a
different
little
beers.
bit hard, isn't it? But that for me should be on the list.
Number 7 then.
Number 7 in the partridge list.
Oh, but we haven't finished tasting yet.
At the minute. That's fantastic. Got another beer then, bro.
Another beer, but I don't think this one can actually be on the 12 beer kits of partridge because this is a special and it is a winter ale.
Right, here we go. Right, let me go. Oh, my wife. This looks like it might be in a full grain kit then.
No.
Does it not?
Or was it?
That's a big bucket. No, it says partial mash kit.
Yeah, past smash kit.
So, let me addition. Fireside spiced winter ale. In a big bucket like
You
that.
can get that in a full grain kit as well, to be
Yeah.
fair. Reason why it's in a big bucket like that is because you do get a big bag of additions.
Ah, rightio.
So you get some candy sugar to put in there, and then you get some what looks, it doesn't say what it is on the bag, but it looks like star anise, ginger root and stuff like that.
Have you brewed it to its maximum potential?
No, because I'm putting no extra sugar in.
Okay. It does say it brews to 6.5%, so it's quite a strong beer.
Yeah, I haven't tried it actually, to be fair, to see, tested it right rather with the hydrometer for it.
So, like it says, you say it's got premium brewery quality malt grains, candy sugar, dried hops, beer yeast, Brightworth, beer findings, pure brew. A rich amber-coloured ale, which is perfect for cold winter nights by the fireside. A lightly spiced aftertaste, provide a blend of seasonal spices. It goes on. I'm sure you're bored of me already waffling on with that, but yeah. Looks like, fireside beer.
Looks like a fireside beer. We're imagining that we're in the cosy inn of the Dog and Partridge.
Oh,
Nice
fire
little
going.
fire crackling in
Dog
the
by
corner.
your side.
Dog by your side. Blanket on your knees. Cap in your hat.
Ooh, that's got a nice nose to it, actually.
Oh, it has, hasn't it? Yeah, there's a good range of smells going on there, isn't there? From ginger
It's
to...
almost like your log fire burning in the background.
You can always smell the smoke from the fire, can't you? It's like...
To me, that does smell quite smoky. So, cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Ooh,
Oh, crikey.
now then.
Now then. Oh, there's a lot of complex flavours going on there, bro.
Yes. Ooh.
For me, quite a bit of aniseed, and then ginger, and then spice, and then something else. I'm probably tasting that candy sugar.
Certainly the candy sugar, a smokiness to it, like you said, the spice to it. I'm not the biggest fan of that aniseed, and it has got that little bit of aniseedy taste to it, hasn't it? Just a bit, not like punching you in the face, not like Perno or anything.
Well,
but
that's coming from Star Elise or something like that. Would that taste like that?
definitely that's what that's come from. Yeah, it's good. It's a nice, quaffable Christmas beer.
Good Christmas beer.
Yeah.
Good Christmas beer.
I'm going to be controversial. It's not, for me, it's not a 10 out of 10.
No.
No, purely because, obviously, I'm not a fan of aniseed.
I am.
And he is.
I do like the Sambuca.
See, I can't stand the damn stuff. So it is a fantastic beer, and if that's the sort of flavour you like, then brilliant. It's a solid 9 out of 10, you know, for me. But it's just obviously not my bag completely.
It's a good beer. Don't get me wrong. I'm with Al. I'm not sure if it's a 10 out of 10 because it's definitely not a session ale. It's one of those you sip at the fireside.
Yeah.
You sit down, you have a sip, and then you put it down, and then you have another sip.
Yeah,
and then
that's
you have another beer. It's not this one.
It's not quaffable. You're not going to neck that.
No, you're not going to neck it, and you're certainly not going to have 5 or 6 of them.
No, not unless you want to fall over anyway.
It's to me. It's like you probably have. You build up to it. You probably do what we've done here. You probably have a bathams, a couple of bathams,
yes,
etc.
Yeah.
And then to round the evening off.
One of them.
Well then,
It's a lovely pint, bro. Has to be said. So there you go. So the list.
Bum, bum, bum.
So we reckon. I'm just going to get it. See if I can get you and the camera in there like that. Eh?
We reckon
So
number 7.
Spot down here somewhere, isn't there?
It's going to be the New Zealand Pilsner. The New Zealand Pilsner.
New Zealand Pilsner.
That just leaves 2 spots left. Number 1 and number 3. So just to stay tuned, you're going to have to find out who is going to be crowned.
He's going to keep you hanging.
Our number 1 star beer.
So,
and our number 3 star beer. I've put Proper Job straight into number 2.
of course. Right, cool. So what we've got coming next time then?
Well, read the list then now. Go.
We've got Mangrove Jack's
You can't see off camera.
Bruner Sour. Sour?
A sour.
Okay.
I would have said beer line of sour myself.
But I can't read your writing, mate. It's atrocious. Dark Rock Brewing Guinness.
Cheers.
And Brew UK Dark Revolution Deviant.
Yeah.
Ooh.
One from Brew UK.
Am I right in saying none of those are the ones that we've tried before? Are they all new beers?
They're all new beers.
They're all new beers.
Yeah.
So,
Next time you still won't find
what
out.
about the list? Oh, he's going to keep us hanging in suspense.
I'm going to keep you hanging well into the new year.
Right
I can see how he's dragging this out.
Right into 2020.
No, actually, to be fair, I've got to make the beers
Yeah.
to be able to review them and decide and go back through videos which ones I'm going to make, which ones we're going to try again, etc., etc. So all that does take time.
Just take a bit of time.
So there is a few beers in the pipeline that we have made before that will be returning and we'll be trying again. See if they're going to be
top of the list or not.
Top of the list or not.
Okay. Right. I look forward to them new ones.
Yeah, the new ones.
Cool. Lovely.
Right then, I suppose that's it.
That's it.
All right, all those YouTube subscribers, a very, very Merry Christmas from him.
Yes, very Merry Christmas from him as well. Yeah.
And until next time,
It's a two room.
it's a tuna
It's a two room.
and a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.